Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Spectrum how to find my account number. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over and open up a browser, and then on the search bar simply type in spectrum.net. Now once you are here, what you need to do is tap on sign in and then log in with your credentials. Now once logged in, what you need to do is tap on the three dot icon on the bottom of the screen, that is your more option, and on tapping it here, what you need to do is tap on account settings. Then look for the account number under the account summary or billing information section. There you'll find your account number. If you're using the Spectrum app, then what you can do is head over back to your home screen and then open up the Spectrum app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are there, you'll be seeing a billing tab on the bottom of the screen. Simply tap on that and your account number will be displayed in the account information section. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.